now joining in, all set. Ready to race. Racing gas is started. We have Shibum break quickly at the start, moving up Sakura IJ. Nitty Gritty is running by the rail, and on the outside comes Miss Bobon. Thunder is also there. Next on line is Teritun Papillon, and on the outside now is entry number 8 House of Riches. And going along for the first turn, 2 entries, fighting around for the lead. Shibum is running by the rail. Alongside comes Miss Bobon, moving upon the outside Sakura IJ. Thunder comes next, Teritun, Nitty Gritty, then followed over by Papillon, House of Riches. Next on line is Class Action, High Fidelity, second last. While Ride the Lightning is racing in 11th. Another far turn, we have Miss Bobon moving upon the outside is Thunder. Teritun in the middle portion, then followed over by Sakura IJ. Shibum comes next, Nitty Gritty now closing in, and on the outside comes Papillon. Next on the House of Riches, High Fidelity, Ride the Lightning second last, while Class Action now running at the tail of the field as they swing for home. Teritun is by the rail, and on the outside now is Thunder to take the lead. We have Thunder now moves up, grabbing back in second is Teritun with about 50 meters of the race. We have Thunder, and finally it's Thunder, Teritun, Nitty Gritty, Papillon, then
yun nga ang ating datingan. It's 9, tapos 1-8, tapos 1 Nitty Gritty. Sinundan ito ni Papillon, High Fidelity, Sakura IJ at